All right. It says, sorry guys. It says draw one more column of 2 to make a new array. So draw one more column of 2. It wants you to draw on, not shade in. We're drawing on. Like
So a column?
Yep, it wants another column of
So
2.
this way?
Which way are columns? Remember, rows are this way. Columns are this
so two
way.
more rows?
2.
Column.
Look, slow down. To add a column of 2 to make a new array. So one column with 2 in it. Nope, you're making a row, Finn.
What?
Your column. You're making a row. Column, which would be added here. We shifted gears and you guys got confused. There we go. Now that you have your new array, write a repeated addition equation for your new array. How would that look? Good. How are we going to add this? How are we going to add it? There's 2 ways. Which way are you going to do it? You can count it by columns or you can count it by rows. Good job.
What is this?
So write that down.
What is the second one?
Draw one more row. This time we're drawing one more row. And
Of 4.
of 4. So one more row of 4. This one, just this one. One more row of 4. There you go.
7.
Now I want you to draw one more row. I want you to draw one more row of 4. That's a column. I know. A row. Put it at like the bottom to add another row. There you go. Let me see. You're adding in your head. How many do you have here? Count them.
I know. I did 4.
Honey, you have too many.
What?
You have too many 4s, honey. Look. You
1,
have 4 4s
2,
here.
3. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
4, 8, 12.
How would you show that?
4.
Yep.
12.
Now, next one, it says draw one more row, then 2 more columns. So one more row this way. So let's do that first. Add one more row. Where are the rows going to go? It's going to go at the
Bottom.
Yep. So add a row real quick.
2 more rows of 3.
No, it says add one more row. Just do that first step. Add a row. Put the lines in there.
And add a column.
Now add a column. Columns are up and down, up and down. Add a column.
Now, write the repeated addition.
Sweetie, did you add enough? No, you didn't. Look, you've got to be careful. Look, this square is taking over this one and that one. You need to separate them. You see what I'm saying? You miscounted. There you go. One more, Josh. You've got to complete the array. There you go. Completed. All right, now it wants you to do, write a repeated addition equation for this new array. So how are you going to add this up? There's more than 2 4s. How many 4s are there? Right. No.
8.
Yeah, there you go. 8.
12.
Here, why don't you do this? Sometimes this makes it easier when you're doing these ones. Like, what's 4 and 4? You said you knew that one. And then you know that, there you go. That 4 and 4 is 8. What's 8 and 8?
8 plus 8 is 20. More. 8 plus
Count on if you don't
8,
know.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
It's not 16 because you still have a 4 right here.
17, 18, 19, 20.
There you go.
I said 20.
Yeah, but you were saying 8 plus 8 was 20. It wasn't. Good. Good job. Flip it on. Flip. Shade in an array with 3 rows of 5.
3 rows up.
3 rows of 5. Rows of 5. Is that 5 then?
Yeah. No.
How many was that? Yeah, so just shade one off at the end.
Wait, no. 5 plus 5.
Yeah, there you go. I think that's easier to do anyway than the 3s, don't you? Because I can count by 5s fairly quickly. Quicker than I can count by 3s.
5 times 6.
Good job. Okay. I know I've missed some of these, but all it does is say shade. Shade in an array with 3 rows of 2.
So when 2nd grade goes out for recess, there'll only be 3 classes out there?
Yes. There you go. You got your answer.
Not that many people.
That means you'll have more space.
Yeah.
All right, now you need to write a repeated addition equation for this array. Good.
Done.
Let's see. 3 rows of 2. Good. Go ahead and go on with the next one.
Shade in a array with 2 rows of 4.
Yep. Shade in an array of 3 rows of 2.
So this one.
Oh, let me see. 2 rows. Yeah, 2 rows. There you go. Good. Yeah, good.
I won my game.
Awesome. Ooh, almost stabbed me with a pencil.
I got the last 2 out.
Awesome. What position do you play?
First and the middle base. Do you know what that's?
Second.
No.
Oh, shortstop.
Yeah. No.
Third.
No.
I've named all the positions besides pitcher.
Pitchers now.
You just don't pitch yet, right? Is the coach pitch still?
Yeah, the coach pitched, but like behind it.
Behind him to do the position, right?
Yeah, but me and Graydon, me and him are.
Oh, you play with Graydon?
Yeah.
That's fun.
And me and him are like the 2 best players on the team. So me and him like switch. One of us is pitcher mound, and then one of us is first, and then pitchers
That
first.
sounds super fun, Finn.
But I was on pitcher's mound, and Graydon threw the ball to me first, and I got someone out. And then the ball came to me. I grabbed it, and I got someone out.
All right. Write your repeated math equation. Draw 2 column of 2. This one? Fine. Draw 1 more column of 2. Yeah.
Wait, rows. Draw
What's it say?
2 rows of
Yep.
4.
Yep. 2 rows of 4.
2, 3, 4.
Those are columns of 4.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1,
honey. How many rows have you made now? You made 4 rows of 4. Oh, you only needed to take away. Now you're making columns again. Those are 2 columns of 4. I need 2 rows. Oh, wait, look, which way are rows? Good job. Did we do that page? Or is it different?
I think it's different.
Yeah, it is different. They're just similar. Okay.
Why did you?
Draw 1 more row of 3. Then add 1 more column. So you're adding 1 more row and 1 more column.
Why did this black thing show up?
Because I'm not the greatest at copying. I gotta work on it as a teacher. It's hard to push that book down. You have to really know the copier too, where you gotta line it up.
All you do is push it down.
Listen, it's not the easiest task in the world, Finn, let me tell you.
I think it is.
Oh, you want to come try to copy some papers for me?
Yeah.
I'm sure that we can find you some papers that need copying. We'll just have you on it all day. Just copying papers.
I can do that all.
There's the person I think that is their job to make copies. All right. 2 rows of 4. Good job. Now you need to write the equation that goes with it.
8 goes 8. More 4. Draw 4 rows of 5.
4 columns. Which way are columns? No. There you go. 4 columns. So you know you need 4 ups and downs.
2, 3.
Nope, you're going the wrong direction for columns. Those are rows. I know, it's weird because when you have to think about it, you have to do it the opposite. So it does really make it hard because when you're drawing it out like that. Draw 1 more row and then 2 more columns. So 1 more row is this way.
This way.
Nope, rows are this way, and then draw 1 more row. So the one's at the bottom. Draw 1 more row at the bottom.
You know what we're making in art?
Let's see. No, I have no idea what you're making.
We're making these bowls out of clay that when we get to take them home, we can actually eat out of them.
That's so fun.
And we're gonna paint them
And
and
then
stuff.
two more columns. That's fun. I did that. I still have mine that I made. I don't remember what grade it was. I don't think it was 2nd grade, but I do remember making it. We had to put them in the what do you call that when you have to cook them? It's called a what?
A kiln?
Kiln, yeah. They cure it.
That's probably what she's put. There's one here at school that's probably what she's put.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then you get to paint it when it comes out, and then you put it back in to get the paint to dry. Let's see what you did. 4 columns, sweetie. You did. Let's count our columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how many are in your columns?
4.
Yeah. So where does that need to go? Where do you need to put those extra 4? There you go. Yep, you had it right where it needs to go.
No.
You only added 1 more column, sweetie. How many did it tell you to add?
2.
Yeah, 2. So you need to add another column. No, don't erase it. Add another column. There you go. Yeah, add another column that way.
So
It is hard. But that's what these things are for. For learning. Grow your brain. Do you remember what 8 and 8 was? Remember what we said?
yeah, 16,
And
20.
then, there you go. See how much quicker that was for you? All right. Flip it. Now you're adding on to your squares, the last sheet.
So,
Draw 1 more column of 2.
so columns go up and down.
Columns are up and down, so draw 1 more up and down column.
So this way.
Which way did we say to draw a column? You just added a row.
What?
You added a row. You need to add a column.
So. I don't know.
Yeah, you do. Erase that.
Done.
Add what? Show me a column with your finger. Like drag your finger. No, on here. Drag your finger on a row or on a column. There, you did a row. Show me a column. Show me where a column is. No, in this little box. Show me where a column is. Look, drag it. Look. Doop. That's a column. Draw me one of those.
What?
Doop. Like this. This is a column, right? Draw me one more. There you go. It's just getting your brain to shift back and forth. It just right at the beginning, I think it confuses you, Finn. All right, let's see. So you did 4 plus 4. Good. Look at you.
Is all
You're
done?
He is done. He finished his whole packet. Good job, Josh. You can get a sticker and put it on your chart. Thank you for working so hard for me today.
I only need a couple more until I have my whole thing filled up.
Yeah, put a sticker on there. I think this is your last page. So once you're finished, you can go ahead and go back, Josh, if you'd like. Finn will be there in a moment.
3.
Thank you.
3.
Oh, here. You can take that home.
Okay. Wait, 3 rows?
It says add 1 more row of 3. So add a row. There you go. All right, now I want to, and then it says then 1 more column. So make a column. There you go. Now write your repeated addition equation.
8, 9, 10.
Good. Yeah, you did right. Wait. You think you were going to get away without doing the last one? Let's finish this last one. We still have a few minutes. You're good to finish. Draw 1 more row, then 2 more columns. So we need to draw 1 more row. Which way are rows? Yep, you're right. There. Now draw 2 more columns. There you go, Finn. You're getting there. Hey, buddy, though. Oh, there you go. You got it. I saw you find it. There. Now I want you to make
1,
an equation.
4. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, so we know what 4 and 4 was, right?
8,
4 and 4 is,
6,
no, 4 and 4 is,
8,
8 and 8 is,
16,
plus 4 more.
17, 18.
There you go. Get your sticker.